Your dreams don't have an expiry date. Just take a deep breath and start again. So hello guys, I'm Nishan Singh and today I'm gonna discuss about a very interesting topic, that is overcome your self doubt and build a profitable business. So all the things I have mentioned in my blogs, so go through my blogs, and here I'm gonna discuss about a very brief information about all these things. So guys, today's world tendency of everyone is that the successful people or confident people don't have doubt inside their mind, but it's not truth of the world, because everyone in existing in this world having the doubt inside their mind for performing the activities, which activity should be performed by them. Because all, if I take an example, that the Prime Minister of India also having the doubt inside their mind after taking the decision for overcoming this pandemic situation and come out from this pandemic situation. But the difference between the successful people and unsuccessful people is that they are decisive. They always take a decision and think that how to perform that in a good manner, how to do with a best effort. They don't regret about their decisions. So about this is the a small brief information about this starting, and I'm going to discuss the 12 points inside the blog about overcoming your doubts and also build a profitable business with that confidence. So the first one is, no, you are not alone in this world. Second one is, stop worrying about what other things. Third one is, set immediate goals. Fourth one is, remind yourself of prior success. And fifth one is, surround yourself with the right people. Sixth one is, be selective. Seventh one is, remember the rest of the world. Eighth one is, don't hinge personal identity to instant success. Ninth one is, forgive yourself always. 10th one is, be decisive but don't fear a change of mind. 11th one is, distract yourself. And 12th one is, face your fear. So guys, these are the 12 points I discuss in my blog. So go through the blog and give your feedbacks about that things. So thank you guys.